Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain how to fix RCA TV that won't turn on and an easy fix that works instantly. Number 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in and turn it on. Number 2. Check the power source. Ensure the power cord is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Avoid using a surge protector. Plug the TV directly into the wall outlet. Number 3. Inspect the standby light. If the standby light is off, the TV may not be receiving power. If the light is on but the TV does not turn on, it could indicate a power supply issue. Number 4. Reset the TV. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 60 seconds. While holding the power button, plug the TV back in and continue holding for another 60 seconds. Number 5. Test with a different outlet. Plug the TV into a different wall outlet to rule out outlet issues. Thanks for watching.